What's going on, guys? NemsJB here, back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a different one. I know normally you don't see me inside the home, but I figured I'd do it a little different today. So today's video is actually going to be pretty interesting. As you all know, your boy is no stranger to going on the roads less traveled, I'd like to say. So I was pretty happy when the guys over at Tecoom. We're gonna just go with Tecoom. Hit me up and said that they wanted me to try out the mud guards for the Ranger. So today's video is actually gonna be me trying to install these bad boys. Pretty good quality, ABS plastic. Looks like there's a bottom mount. Let's see, where would this go? This is looking like a, to line it up, this looks like a back right setup, so it looks pretty durable. Let's see what the instructions got. What we got for instructions? Yep, these are instructions, all right. Just so you guys can see it. This is, let me see if it looks. All right, but it's looking like what we'll need here is a ratchet T25 Torx bit, 1/4 inch drill bit, and a torque wrench. What else did I get rid of? Got some clips, a couple screws. All right, do what we can. So, I'm gonna jump outside, see how it looks, try to line them up. I'm a little curious if they will work with the Tremor. These may be for the regular Ranger, but we'll figure it out. All right, let's get outside, guys. So one thing I would recommend, which I did not do, is making sure that this area is a little bit cleaned off. And there's also, it looks like a little bolt under there as well. That's probably the bottom piece that it'll get into. So I'm gonna wipe each area down. Now I had a feeling that this might happen. It's really straightforward though, guys. You basically go underneath. I'll try to make sure I get everything as I'm doing. And there's a little screw right here. You just hold it in first. I always recommend doing that first, so that way you're not trying to figure it out. Now, what I knew was going to happen is, I know with the Tremor, these flares are a little bit wider than the regular Ranger. Even though it's not a game changer, it doesn't sit flush. But I'll still use these because the concept will still be there, and it's literally just this little tiny gap here. Very straightforward. So one bolt, hold it here. I use the factory one, and then the clips would go on this side. But like I said, I had a feeling this would happen. The flare is too far back, so it's not really hold the clip. So mine will essentially just be the bolt in the back, drill a hole here, put the clip in, make sure it holds it, and then that's what we'll hold on to here. All right, I'll do a wrap up because it's the same process more or less for the other ones as well. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. So I got them on. I'd say they look pretty good. They blend in really well along the body lines. Like I said, the only gripe that I have is this fitment right here, but this is probably just very Tremor specific, because if you look, it's supposed to flow, but these little fender flares are a little bit bigger than what you normally get. Get over to the other side. The neglected chaser. There'll be more chaser videos eventually. But yeah, that's the only gripe I have. But my kick test is the real test. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking this video out, and thanks to Tecoom for also sending out these mud guards. Even though the fitment isn't perfect, I will definitely be getting some usage out of them, especially when it comes to like protecting the body, stuff like that. I already have like little nicks here and there, so this will definitely help out. Also, to you guys, thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate everything. You know, if you like the video, you know, like, comment, subscribe, everything helps. I'll see you guys next time. I really gotta stop doing that finger thing.